No, I didn't draw that up at all. I will say that I was pretty surprised the first 5 minutes. I mean, we came out with a lot of energy and a lot of jump, but you don't expect to score goals in your first 3 shots.
How did you keep your guys poised when Dallas kept coming back?
Well, I mean, obviously we weren't that poised. I mean, because they came back. We knew they were going to put a push on, and I was worried that when we didn't score on the 5-on-3, we knew they were going to get a power play, and usually what happens is they score on it, and that's what happened. But our resiliency and our pushback after that was really good. And then in the last 5 minutes, I thought we bared down, we blocked some shots, we sacrificed, we did what we had to do. But, you know, it was one of those things that it was one of those games where you should have won 5-1. And we ended up winning 5-4. So,
is that what you needed on that last goal? I mean, it seemed like they had all the momentum after they tied it, but you get the greasy one, nice defensive play by Zucker.
Well, I mean, that's what you need, and that's what good teams do. Is they have pushback, they be defiant. You know, they don't allow the crowd or the other team to push right to a victory. And you know, I mean, you could call it luck, but he went to the net and he did the things you're supposed to do, and when you do that, usually you get success.
Halfway point of the season tonight, 41st game of the year. Are you excited about the way your team is able to win games in different facets?
Yeah, I'd still like to win by allowing 1 goal, though. And getting a power play goal every game, and winning the special teams battle. So, listen, I'm glad we're winning, and I think we're working hard and doing a lot of good things. But we're not perfect. We're going to have to continue working. The hardest part of our schedule is ahead of us yet. So we have to, you know, we can't take anything for granted.
You said this morning that you weren't going to look past these guys on to Chicago. Now that this one's over, you're tied with those guys in the standings. How excited are you to get a peek at those guys? Maybe excited's the wrong word.
Excited is the wrong word. I mean, you know, we know that they're coming off a pretty good beating, and they had their day off taken away, and they did battle drills all day. So, ouch. I'm looking, you know, we know what we're in for tomorrow. We better be ready.
Thank you.